But what if one small action could dissolve 100 years of fear? We were never meant to fight alone. Every heartbeat is a seed we've sown. We are breaking walls between the science and the soul, between the silence and the call. We found our role. One hand in the soil, one hand on our heart. Climate, health, and art were never meant to be apart. 19 countries whispered, then we sang. 91% didn't just learn, they began. We are breaking walls. No more waiting for permission. No more silence, no division. We found our role. One hand in the soil, one hand on our heart. Climate, health, and power were never meant to be apart. From silence to action,